Yo, how's it going? It's Kicking. And today, I'm here to tell you, there will not be an update to the computer because you know what's gonna happen? This is our update right now. This is a new update. And I'm telling you now, we're just gonna do skits with my friend. And I'm getting my new phone soon, so we will be freaking Gucci. Look that up. We'll be fine. We'll be good. Will be excellent. That's what Gucci means, okay? If you don't know what it is, if you don't believe me, look it up in Google. On Google. So remember, guys, we are Gucci. After I get my phone, me and my friend, maybe we will make some videos. Sometimes it'll just be me, and sometimes I'll be by myself, just doing nothing, you know. Sometimes it's just times. You just gotta do what you want. And you gotta be Gucci. And you see this camera? Remember this video. And then you'll see my new phone. And you will be amazed. No, I'm just joking. You know you won't. Because you guys, this is a ZTE. And I'm getting a Galaxy Note 5. The one everyone keeps saying it's going to explode. I think it's the one everyone's saying it's explode. Anyways. Fuck, it's not working. You get a magnet here. There's a magnet. And yes, I know this says pomade in it. It says pomade, if you can read it, but it's not. It's actually another magnet. What I did was I grounded it up. I freaking broke it with another magnet. I broke it. I'll show you the magnet I broke. I'll be back. Okay, so I broke up one of these magnets. Because I know I didn't do really anything in the video, I'm just telling you about updates. But I'm tired of just doing updates for you guys. I actually have to do something for you. So, this is how you can make it's pretty much a DIY. But I didn't show you how to do it. I just told you what you gotta do. What you do is, you get something hard. It most likely be a magnet, something it's attracted to. Because when you break it, it'll stick on here. And if you don't, it'll fly everywhere. Just like you hit it, pieces and chunks of the magnet will fly everywhere, so it's better to do it with a magnet. Get a magnet and use a magnet. Metal, not so well, but magnets attract to magnets stronger than a magnet to metal. So, get a magnet and you crush a piece of magnet, whatever it has to be, but make it sure you have to make little pieces of it first, so maybe you throw it on the ground, and it kind of looks like putty. Yoink! Okay. Sorry, that was my sister. And this is what it looks like, kind of. It's like putty. It's just little chunks of magnet. Can't really see it that well. You'll see better when I have my other phone. And you can mold it. Oh, fuck. You can mold it like a normal magnet. But all you gotta do, let's get this thing right here, which is the lid of you can put it in any kind of container. So, that's it right there. And I will show you after put the magnet under, because I can't really show you anything. Don't have a phone stand or anything. I will get some soon, and I'll get a proper setup soon. But right now, it's not that time. Okay guys, we're back. Got it. Just gotta put this camera at an angle. So if you move it around, you see as it kind of moves around. I don't know if you can see that well. Now my camera might be a little bit more blurry than usual because I kind of cracked the lens to the camera. So I hope you see as much as you can. And that's how you make thing. And you can play with it. It's pretty fun. You can play with it like putty, but it's not really that sticky, so it's not really gonna stick. And it might mess up a little bit, but that's the basics. And that's one DIY. And next, I'm gonna make another video today on another DIY, and it's not gonna be a DIY. It's gonna be more of a introduce to it and get you to see it. Now, if you have can openers, what you're gonna need for the next DIY, I think I'm gonna do it now. So make a 10-minute video. So first, you're gonna need a can, empty can, drink the soda, whatever kind of soda you want, and the lid of where you drank from. Put it on the side, not on the top, because it's not gonna work. You gotta put the can sideways. Here, I'll be back, and I'll get the can. So, here you guys, I'm back, and what you can do, you can put a can sideways like this, and in the can opener. If you have the one that you plug in, and the electric ouch you have in the kitchen, just put it in like this. Do it, and if it gets stuck, that's because it gets inside a piece of metal. So what you do is you're just gonna pull out you're gonna undo it, and you're gonna keep doing that until you have it cut off. You're gonna have this. Now it's not gonna look like this exactly at the moment. You're gonna need to do some fixing, which like I did. Now what I did is I kind of, used something to dole out this and mold it the way I need it to. And you're also going to need tape. And there's a ridge. Once you're done, there's going to be a little ridge, and you're going to put tape on that. And you're going to do it over and over again. You got to be careful because it will slip off. So the best thing to do is wash it because it's going to be sticky and it's going to slip off anyways. So what you need to do, wash it, dry it as good as you can. Get off all that waxy, because it's going to be a little waxy. I don't know why, but it is. So after you do that, you put the tape, and you put it on the inside too. So you're going to put the tape on the inside here, and you're just going to have this. Now, okay, so what you're going to do is see how it looks like it's closed? Looks like a normal soda. Now the reason is because I cut out a tab from another soda can. Because I accidentally threw away the last one, and I accidentally ripped off the tab too. I ripped off this and I ripped this off because I needed to put tape on it. So what you could do is try to keep this on if you can, the tab. So what to do, if you accidentally rip off the tab when you drink a soda, what you do is you're gonna get another soda can, and you're gonna cut out the metal piece in the middle that you fold, and you're gonna cut out the piece here around it, and you're gonna mold it in there so it looks like it's nothing. So here it looks like it's closed, there's like a little gap, but it's not really noticeable at first sight, and no one's gonna suspect a thing. And if you do, just cut it out, put it in there, shape it in there, and just try. Number one thing, just do not in the first place take off the tab, and you won't have to worry about that. Now this thing right here in the middle, you're gonna need to rip that out anyways. So when you do that, what you're gonna do is you're gonna cut out that piece, and you're gonna fit it in there pretty much, just like a normal puzzle piece. It's gonna fit in there perfectly, and it's gonna take a while maybe to get it in there right and make sure it stays in there. And once you do that, you're done, and you got yourself a secret. Now it's kind of gonna look noticeable on the sides most likely, but if you're really good with molding stuff, you will be able to mold this perfectly. And I played with it too much, trying to dole it out, and I kind of made it where there's this dent on the sides. It's like a scratch, kind of like on a CD, the ring of death on a CD. It kind of looks like that, but on a can, but on the sides of it, and it's kind of like dented in, and it's weak. The aluminum is weak right now because I played with it so much, trying to dole it out so I wouldn't cut myself. But besides that, if you are good enough and you know how to do it perfectly, and you're smart enough, I'm smart, but I haven't found anything how to do it without making it look like making it dull. So if you know how to make it dull, you don't need to. you can just cut it off. And if you cut yourself, that's on you, not me. And if you do cut yourself, I'm not responsible for it. Just, that's how you do it. And this is just a little review of it. I'm not even trying to tell you how to do it. Well, I did, but this is gonna look on the side. You could put stuff in here, like cushion, toilet paper, put freaking anything on the sides to cushion it or make it heavier so it feels like a can when someone picks it up. Like mine, it's not even heavy, no one's gonna notice. But you could put anything here, money, you could put candy, pretty much anything. Now, I have this for me, and I usually put money in it. So it's up to you what you want to do with it. It is pretty good brand of soda. It's actually, and I prefer Sprite, but whatever your favorite soda is. And this is all I had because I don't know. But anyways, I'm done with that, and see y'all in the next video. KK out, and I'm not really feeling doing my outro, but y'all know. See this video after like a while. I've been grounded, but that's it. Just have a nice day.